Hey guys, in today's video will be a little different because I will do an unboxing for you of a product of the brand Kubey knife, which they sent me as a gift. If you like the product, just follow the link that I will leave in the description of the video. They ship worldwide, okay? This is the official site of Kubey knife. You just need to access through the link in the description that you will be able to see the producers that they manufacture, all the models that are available in the market provided by them. Or you can also access their Instagram Kubey Collector, which was the factory that sent this product to me. They will serve you super well. Just get in touch. Okay, well, let's start by cutting to see what they sent. The box is well packed, well sealed. Kubey. This is the model KU322A in black. Let's see. It has a very good weight. You can feel that it is very resilient. It has a silica to avoid humidity. Look at this. What a texture. Very, very good. I can't open it. Oh! Apparently, it is cutting edge. Look at that! How nice! Very nice. It's very comfortable and light. I don't know how to close it either. It has a safety lock. You push it to the side and it unlocks. See? This system is very good. It doesn't open. You can shake it. It doesn't open easily. Very good. Let's do a sharpening test now. Incredible. It is really very well sharpened. Clean and precise cut.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Haircut test.
Hurts to watch your blue eyes fade
Oh!
to gray.
You saw that. And when it comes to shipping, guys, it's very fast. It didn't take long to arrive, fast delivery. It comes with their card. If you want to get in touch, there's the website, email, and Instagram. If something happens with your goods, just contact them. Well, I really like the product. Excellent quality. Firm, nothing loose. Very, very good. A big hug for you. Thank you very much, Kubey Collector, and until the next video, bye.